Find 12.5% of $400. A. $100. B. $80. C. $60. D. $50. E. $2. Solution. To find 12.5% of $400. Let's convert to improper fraction. 25 over 2% of $400 equals 25 over 2 times 1 over 100 times 400 over 1. 400 divided by 100 gives 4. 4 divided by 2 gives 2. Then, 25 times 2 is equal to $50. The correct answer is D. Find the number that must be added to 40% of 225 to give 200. Solution. To express in mathematical terms, let P represent the number to be added. Then, P plus 40% of 225 equals 200. P plus 40 divided by 100 times 225 is equal to 200. 40 divided by 4 gives 10. 100 divided by 4 gives 25. 225 divided by 25 gives 9. 10 times 9 is equal to 90. Then, P plus 90 is equal to 200, subtract 90 from both sides. P plus 90 minus 90 is equal to 200 minus 90 is equal to 110. Therefore the number that must be added to 40% of 225 to give 200 is 110. The correct answer is C. What percentage of 5 meters is 5 centimeters? A. 100%. B. 90%. C. 10%. D. 5%. E. 1%. Solution. Let's first convert 5 meters to cm. Know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. Then, 5 meters is equal to 5 times 100, divided by 1. Equals 500 centimeters. To find the percentage of 5 centimeters in 500 centimeters. Equals 5 divided by 500, times 100. 5 divided by 500, gives 100. 100 divided by 100, gives 1. Equals 1%. Therefore, 5 centimeters is 1% of 5 meters. The correct answer is E.